Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana, and if you're new here, hi. I am a single parent. I have a full-time job and I am low income, and I budget every single thing that I do. And so if you are interested in that, see how my bi-weekly budgets go ahead and stay tuned. So this is actually going to be a very late video, and while I was editing it, it was a hot mess, so I had to redo it. So this is... Hi.
You know what? I'm just gonna shut my PlayStation off because you're just gonna get it.
How are you? That is my kid. So I got paid $938, and there was some change, but I never do count the change. So let's see what I'm going to spend this 2 weeks on. And the good thing is that my next paycheck is actually kind of like a bonus paycheck for me, because my rent is due no later than the 3rd, and I get paid on the 20th, I believe it is. So I'm going to use like most of that money just to catch up, because I have a credit card now, and I have like a couple things that, like haircuts and stuff like that. Oh, and also like my nails are a hot mess. I just have been cleaning, and I went ahead and took off the nail polish that was on there, so it's not as pretty as it could be. But let me jump right into this. So my electric is going to be $193, and the good thing about this is that this is going to be my last high payment like this, because I did qualify for the 30% program, because I get medical, well, Medicaid. So I was able to qualify for it because, oh my god, the electric bills lately have been like over $200, and that's where the majority of my money has been going, and I'm poor. So it's not helping me. But next month I believe it's gonna be about $70. My gas bill this month, I was able to qualify for that one as well. So this month is going to be $169, and next month is going to be a lot cheaper, which is good. My car insurance this month is $60. Now I have I want to say it's like a 6-month with my car insurance. I'm not really sure, but I know it expires in July. So I paid the bulk of the payments already, and then the next ones are going to be like extremely low, like under like $70. So my Verizon is always $100, and then my Disney, I have to put a plus there, but my Disney Plus is about $8, and I'm still working on getting rid of this because I have not seen that in forever, or watched it, I should say. So I have 2 phones on here. The first one is going to be for me. I do have a total wireless phone, which is super cheap. It's $35 a month. You get it at, oh sorry guys, you get it at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, all that good stuff. So you could always have access to the phone cards. And my son has the same one, and his is $25 a month, but I always round it up to $30 because of tax and fees for gas. Now I have been trying to increase this, and unfortunately everything that's going on, we're in the middle of a gas shortage. Well, not really Rhode Island, but it's getting up there. One day it was $2.76. Right now it's almost $3. So I'm gonna budget $40 for this one. For the house, I am budgeting $10. For pets, I am actually budgeting a lot. So I am going to be gone for 10 days. So with those 10 days, I'm having someone come over, and she's going to be taking care of my animals. So I'm going to get them a huge bag of food. So they're usually like $15 for the bag of food, and then I'm going to get a whole bunch of litter, and the litter is usually like $12 to $15 depending on the size. And then for food, I try to keep a budget of $100. Try to stick within that, and then whatever I don't use, I'm gonna probably put toward my move, just because I have to buy food while I'm there. but I'm gonna go ahead and see how that works out. And then I do have a monthly bank fee, and it's about $7.99, so I just budget $8 for that. So with all of that being said, I know the number's already there, but I just wanted to show you. So $9.83. Okay, so I have a total of $153 left, and this is going to be used in my sinking funds, which, yay, I did it correct this time. Last time I was filming this video and I was making macaroni and cheese from scratch, and I was like so worried that I was gonna burn it or that I wasn't like making it properly. So I was like all about the food that video, so it was a hot mess. I love macaroni and cheese. So for my sinking funds, I'm going to go ahead and put $20. And this one is going to go toward moving. So I am moving. I have a lot of things that I still have to get. And I think that my next paycheck, which is on the 22nd, so next week, is a lot of it is going to be coming out of that. To go toward this move as well, only because I am behind on some stuff. So, oh gosh. Alright, let's see. My daughter gets an allowance, and that is going to be no. It's going to be $5, not $50. Okay, for my emergency fund, it's going to be $50, or, no, why do I keep saying $50? It's going to be $5. For that, for the car, I'm going to put $20 toward that. For my license, so in June I have to renew my my license for pharmacy tech, and that's usually anywhere from $20 to $60. I can't remember how much it is, so I gotta start saving for that. For hair, because my kids need haircuts desperately, this is gonna be $30. I think it's $25 per person, so I'm gonna have to probably borrow money from something that I already have, or figure that out, because I gotta get all of us haircuts. Back to school is going to be $5, because that is coming up soon, guys. Coming up very soon. For the AC, it is going to be $5 for that one. For vacation, it's going to be $20. For my son, this is actually going to be for school, because I have to start saving for school clothes. I actually ran through all of their money to buy them this summer, summer clothes. So now I'm focusing on back to school clothes. So he's going to get 10, and what one gets, the other gets. And then for birthdays, I have a lot of birthdays coming up. This is going to be $10. And then I think I'm going to have a remainder. So, let's see. 20. Alright guys, so I have a remainder of $5. Alright, I am keeping this video short and sweet because it's actually my only day off, and I'm in the middle of packing and trying to catch up on laundry and just trying to straighten out my house a little bit, because I'm going to be working straight through until the day that I leave. So, oh man. But I hope that you guys are good. How have you guys been? I feel like it's been forever, even though I do upload a lot of videos. Some of them I film on the same day. So it does feel like forever since I talked to you guys. I do appreciate all of you guys, and my channel is growing. I have over 200 subscribers now, which is amazing. So thank you guys. And I just want to say, like I just said, thank you so much, because you guys are helping me with this channel, and you're helping me grow, and you know, go ahead and like this video and subscribe and, you know, comment. And just know that I'm so grateful for you guys. I do see you, and I do appreciate the kind words that you guys have for me. My life is not the easiest, and things do happen, unfortunately, that none of us can control. And so everybody's kind of struggling in their own way right now. And when you're low income and everything is just increasing around you and you feel like you're drowning, it's nice to know, like for me anyway, that I can put my budget up here. I can be completely transparent and you guys can see that and just be like, if I'm going through this, she's going through this, like we're all gonna get through it together. So I hope that you guys have a very, very good day. And again, I just wanted to just show you a little bit about my budget. Let's see, it's gonna be for May. This is what my budget is gonna look like. And guys, seriously, sinking funds, oh, I love that. I love that I have sinking funds now. But have a good day, okay? Bye.